All right, good morning, everyone. Today's lesson is about combination, but this time you will be seeing problems that have conditions. Okay, so let's go now to the lesson, but let's have a quick review first. How many ways? This is just to give you an idea of what is a combination. It's all about. If you don't know what a combination is, so let me just discuss this to you. How many ways can a basketball team of 5 players be chosen from 12 players? So ask yourself this question: is there a specific arrangement for the 5 players? If the answer is no, then therefore we're talking about combination, and actually the answer is no here. So in this particular situation, we're talking about combination. Combination is a selection of objects without regard to the order in which they are selected. Okay, maybe you're thinking about permutation and combination. What's the difference between those two? Well, just focused on the word arrangement. In permutation, arrangement is important. In combination, it's not important. Actually, we're not considering arrangement here in combination. Okay, I gave this illustration before. I'm going to give this to you again. So we want to select 2 letters from A, B, C, and D. So when it comes to permutations, these are the answers. When it comes to combinations, this will be the answer. So in permutations, A, B, and BA are the same. In combinations, they're A, B, and BA are different. In combinations, A, B, and BA are the same. All right, let's go now to the examples. A committee of 5 people is to be chosen from a group of 6 men and 4 women. How many committees are possible if, letter A, there are no restrictions? Let's answer that first. I'm going to answer, of course, the rest. So if there are no restrictions, that means we will consider all the 6 men and all the 4 women. That makes us 10 options, and out of those 10, we will select 5. So that's 10 taken 5 at a time. Using the formula n factorial all over n minus r factorial times r factorial. So n is 10, right? N minus r, 10 minus 5 is 5 factorial times 5 factorial, which is equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. I'm going to stop there and cancel that. And then that will be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 6. 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. 4, 8, that's 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 10 divided by 5 is positive 2. Multiply 2, 9, 2, and 7. That gives us 252 possible combinations. All right. Let's go to the second condition. So the second condition is one particular person must be chosen on the committee. So we have 5 people, right? But one of those 10, we don't know if it's a man or a woman. It doesn't matter. What we know is out of those 10, one is already should be part of the committee. So which means 10 minus 1, 9. There will be only 9 possible options. But since we already included one particular person must be chosen from that, we will only choose 4, not 5 anymore. Okay? So that's 9 taken 4 at a time, which means 9 factorial all over 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 factorial times 4 factorial, which is equal to 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial all over 5 factorial. We can cancel the 5 factorial. Then this is 4 times 2, no, 3 times 2 times 1. And let's do some cancellation here. 6, 3, 2, and 1, 4, and 8, that's 2. Multiply the remaining numbers, that gives us 126. All right, that's letter B. Let's go to the next one. Here, one particular woman must be excluded from the committee. So if you think about this, okay, we have 10 members or 10 options here. Out of those 10, 1 should be excluded rather. So that means we will only select, our selection will only be 9. But we will still select or choose 5. We will still choose 5, right? Out of those 9. So this is 9 taken 5 at a time. Okay? I can explain this again. 6 men, 4 women. There's 10. But one must be excluded. One woman must be excluded. So that's 3 plus 6, which is 9. But we will still select 5. Okay? So it's 9 taken 5 at a time. So 9 factorial all over 9 minus 5 is 4 factorial times 5 factorial, which is equivalent to 9 times 8 times 6 times, where's the 7? 7 times 6 times 5 factorial, all over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 5 factorial. So we can cancel the 5 factorial here, the 3, 2, 1, and the 6, the 8 and the 4, which is, this is 2. Look at that, the same as the answer a while ago, 126. All right, let's go to the next example. There are to be 3 men and 2 women. Okay, so the condition here is we will select 3 men from the 6th available men and 2 women from the 4 available women. Okay, so which means 6, this is equal to 6 taken 3 at a time, multiply that by 4 taken 2 at a time. So men, women. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so 6 factorial all over 6 minus 3, that's 3 factorial, and then the r is for 3 factorial, times 4 factorial. 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial times 2 factorial. Okay, 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. I'm going to stop there. 3 factorial, and then cancel that. That gives me 3 times 2 times 1. This is 6, so that means this is 20. Times 4 factorial, no. 4 times 3 times, I can stop with 2 factorial. Well, the other 2 factorial is 2 times 1, right? Right here. Okay. So 2 times 1 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And this is equivalent to 120 possible combinations. Okay. Let's go to the next one. There are to be men only. So which means that those 4 women will never be or will not be part of our selection. We will select 5 from the 6 men. Okay. So 6 taken 5 at a time. So 6 factorial all over 1 factorial times 5 factorial, right? 6 times 5 factorial. 1 factorial is just 1. 5 factorial, cancel that. This will be equal to 6. All right, so there's only 6 possible committees. All right, let's go to the last one. There is to be a majority of women. So if there is a majority of women, okay, and we have 4 women, that means out of those 4 women, there's one possibility. We will choose all those 4. Okay, so if we already choose those 4, out of the 6 men, we only need 1. Okay, 4 and 1, that's 5. 4 is majority. Okay, women is the majority. So out of those 4, another possibility is we will select 2, and then we will select 3 rather. We will select 3 from the 4 women, and this time we will select 2 from the 6 men. Still, that's majority. Okay, we cannot have 2 women and 3 men because the condition is the women should be the majority. So what we're going to do here is answer both and then just add. Okay, so this is equal to 4 factorial all over 0 factorial. 4 minus 4 is 0, and then 4 factorial. So cancel. 0 factorial is 1, cancel, so that means this is just 1. Times 6 times 5 factorial all over 5 factorial. We're here now, we're solving this. 6 minus 1 is 5, and then 1 factorial. 1 factorial. Cancel this. 1 factorial is 1, so that means this is equal to 6. Okay, this is 1 times 6, which is equal to 6 plus, let's answer the second one. Second one is 4 factorial all over 4 minus 3 is 1 factorial, and then 3 factorial. So we can actually have 4 times 3 factorial and cancel that. So this is equal to 4, right? Times 6 times, okay, we're answering this time, the 6 taken 2 at a time. 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. I'm going to stop with that because 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 factorial. So cancel that. Times 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1. 2 times 1. All right. So 2 times 1, this is 3. That's 15. Multiply those two, the answer is 60. And just add. So the answer will be 66. All right, so there you go. This is how you answer combination problems with condition. Thank you for watching.